Hey guys, hello everyone. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing great. My name is Shreya and I make videos on paintings. So guys, today's video is again a Polaroid painting which is I'm making on Bukram sheet, and you know that Bukram sheets are like really cheap and are easily available in the market. Plus, because due to this lockdown you are not able to purchase watercolor paper, so these Bukram sheets are the best alternate for every watercolor paper, canvas sheet, and everything of that sort. You can do your painting, you can practice, and this is the best remedy if you are a beginner and if you want to clear your hand on paintings and everything. You can also watch my previous videos where you can definitely get to know how these Bukram sheet works and how the result really comes up when you are painting on them. Secondly, if you want to see the actual image of how the pictures really came out to be, so you can definitely check my description box, and there I have put the link of my Instagram profile. You can definitely go and follow me over there, and you can watch all the photographs I have posted. Plus, if you are a reader and you want to read the blogs, you can definitely go and read my blogs. I will drop in the description box for sure. So for today's theme, I am using blue color and white color, and this is like a very basic, very simple painting which I have made twice. Yes, I made this painting twice because for the first time when I painted this painting, I forgot to switch on my mobile phone and there is no clip for that picture. Secondly, at that time I wasn't really clear about how to make the images, so I first handedly painted with black, which actually spoiled the complete picture. So in the second video you will definitely see that I am using calligraphy pens, which is in the size 0.1 mm. So I'm using that pen to draw the boundaries first, and then I am painting with the paintbrush. So you can also do the same and you can get the complete look. So for today's painting I am using acrylic colors. For that, firstly I'm using purple and sky blue and white acrylic colors to create the background. I am not really working a lot on background right now because these are Bukram paper and I cannot completely rely upon making clouds and everything, because that will ruin the complete Bukram sheet. So just for practice I am doing this, and once my order is with me, like once my order arrive, I will show you how to create different sceneries, how to create different sky scenes, and that will be on Brustro paper, which is 25% cotton. I have ordered from Amazon, and hopefully tomorrow or day after tomorrow I will receive my package. So I will definitely do a review video of all the products which I have ordered and purchased from local market. And I told you all yesterday that my phone dropped, and the clip was from few days back, but I uploaded that tomorrow on my Instagram as well as on YouTube. So for that update, I have ordered, actually my brother ordered me a tripod, but that tripod is going to arrive after a month, so I have to wait a lot. I don't know why I am he is ordering from Amazon Prime only, but still the delivery is very much delayed because of the current situation going on in the country. And yeah, that's it. And yeah, one more thing, like I told you all on my Instagram profile, that one of the cases positive in our society for COVID-19. So we all are currently at home and no one is allowed to enter in our place, and we are staying safe, so there's no issue. Plus we are hoping that none of the other member of society or his family is affected with the virus, and for the health of that person, he is in a critical condition right now. No updates yet, but we are hoping that he gets well soon. So that's it for his updates, our corona updates and everything. So yeah, back to the painting. Like, I'm making Polaroid series, and this will be the 7th painting. Let me know if you want me to write something on each of the Polaroid painting, because I am also learning calligraphy. I've posted, I've updated on my Instagram profile also. So if you all want me to, you know, if you want me to write something in a calligraphy lettering, so yeah, definitely tell me. I will write it down. Maybe I'll do that on Sunday or someday, so that will really look nice, and I will update that on my Instagram as well as on my YouTube channel, that how I am doing that. So you can follow those tips and you can also do that. So till then, I will definitely practice my calligraphy. So yeah, that's all for the video, guys. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I would really request you all, please subscribe and please help me to grow, and please just show your love. Help me to reach 1000 subscribers. That would be really great. And yeah, if you have not read my blogs, I will drop in the description box the link and everything. Plus, if you want me to write something new, so definitely drop your comments. I will try to write on that. Plus, I have written something motivational on my Instagram profile today. I will drop the link in the description box. You can definitely go and follow me on my Instagram, because I write short stories, motivational quotations, and inspiring quotes and everything. So you can definitely check it out there also. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Please go and watch the complete video, and I hope that you all are safe at your place. Please take care, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and share it to your friends and family, and help me to grow. Thank you so much, guys. Take care. Bye.